This website is really new. This website has 0 backlinks. This website has 2 articles. One article got the first page already, and it won the Google snippet as well. This website is around maybe 3 weeks old. Yeah, maybe less than that for sure. So the key is do the keyword research in right way, especially at the beginning. I mean, because you have no authority, right? You have no backlinks. Anyway, so if you are new to this channel, my name is Iman Dodais. I'm a SEO specialist and I'm a webmaster as well. So if you like to learn about internet marketing, so how to earn money online and SEO, hit the subscribe button and the bell button as well if you are new to the channel, and please put a comment in this video, and I really appreciate that, and I will reply for all the comments. That's a promise I'm giving you guys. So let's go to the screen. So now you guys are on my webmaster tool. Sorry that I had to blur the website name because I don't want any competition, because yeah, so if I reveal the website and the website will be messed up. There are people waiting to build some like spam links, and so I don't need any of that. Just and the other thing is I'm actually building this website for a case study. So subscribe, so you will see the growth of the website in the future for sure. So website has no clicks because it's really new, and it has only 2 pages, right? And also 25 total impressions website generated. It says 30.1 average position because there are some other keywords like trying to rank for these 2 articles, and which I actually didn't plan. But anyway, so this is why it says 30. So average position is 30. So I will untick total impressions so we can clearly see the position, or so the rankings pop up from since July 1st, right? And so today date is 7th of July. So actually, so 1 week ago it pop up on the search. So it pop up at the first position, which is you can see position number 1, which is really nice. It's really, and then it went to 47 because the website is really new, like it was like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and this is why. And then but remember it has so 0 backlinks, and then it went to 59 because the website is new and it's new website for a Google. And then it went to position number 1. It's so actually exciting to see it. And then it went to position number 5, and then it went to position number 3. So it will come back for sure because this is the new website, and then it's kind of a Google dance. So I'm not worrying about it because it will come back for sure. Okay, this is this is the keyword. You guys cannot see it. It's kind of stupid to show it like this because I cannot reveal the keyword, and I have to cover everything. I'm really sorry about it. So you can see, so July 1st, so it pop up, so that is there. Okay, how did I do that? So like I said before, it is all about the keyword research. Since you have 0 authority, 0 backlinks, you don't have much content, start from the beginning. That means don't go crazy and target so competitive, like maybe 1,000, 2,000, maybe 10,000 searches. Those keywords, do not go after those keywords since your website is really new. So start from the beginning. Target like small searches. Maybe when you target small searches, but Google suggests these keywords, and when you put this into keyword tools, and keyword tools say that there are no searches, so it's zero searches, but that is not the truth. If Google suggests you that keyword, that means someone is looking for that, right? Someone has typed those keywords on Google search. Now I'm on Google. I'm going to show you how to find these keywords. So the point is, you need to win Google's trust. Okay, so do not target like thousands of searches. First, when you start, I mean at the beginning, we can go for like keyword. There is no article. There are no articles for that. There are no content specific for that keyword, right? So this is the point. And the other thing is, these keywords, they are not money keywords. So these keywords don't have a commercial value. So that's our opportunity. Okay. So what you can do is go to Google and then type. Okay, I'm just doing this example, right? I don't want to reveal my niche websites for sure. So let's say we'll find something about baseball. Okay, so is baseball baseball, sorry, baseball, and then I type R, right? Not R, sorry, that is German. That is yeah. So is baseball, type A, and then Google gives you these options, right? So normally what I have heard, so Google never mentioned this. Topest question get more traffic. Okay, so more you go down, less traffic you get from these keywords. But the point is not getting like, we don't need to get thousands of traffics, right? We just need to win Google trust, so we can rank the first articles for low searches. Okay, so let's say, okay, is baseball a dying sport? Interesting. Is baseball a dying? Okay. Yeah, exactly. It's a Quora coming here. Is baseball a dying sport in USA? The thing is, these are the signs you can go for. Okay, so you can see Quora here. We'll go down, and then you can see Reddit. Okay, so when you see forums, Quora and Reddit, right, and that's a good sign. So if Quora and Reddit, if they are ranking for these keywords, that means it's a less competitive keyword. Yeah, it is a less competitive keyword for sure. So there is a good chance we can write it. But try to find keywords no one have not written before. Okay, at the beginning you will say, oh no, that is not possible, but actually the thing is, it is possible. Okay, so some other stuff are actually ranked. You can see, so thanks to blah 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 tiger. You can see it is not even targeting our questions. And MLB baseball is a dying sport, strong. Okay, so few articles are there, and you can go for these articles and see what kind of content they have. Okay, I just activated the mouse bar. Anyway, now on the website, you can see the page authority is 34, DA is 60. Yeah, so you can also use that as well. Maybe We'll search something else. Is baseball. What were the okay? Not this one. Season sports. What sports are played in summer? Baseball at Summer Olympic. Why is baseball summer sport? It won't go well. What sports? Nope. So you can do this until you find something. Actually, you can do this. I mean, at the first time when I was doing this, I was like, "Had really? Can we do it like this?" But so you can see they have target. So baseball is not a contact sport. That's the answer is there. Is baseball a contact sport? Okay. Maybe you can find this was a low contact sport. Sport contacts level. Maybe you can type why baseball is the best sport, harder than football. So softball harder than baseball. That is not baseball. Softball, nope. Why baseball is harder than okay. So you know what I'm doing, right? I mean, you can find this stuff and why hitting a softball is harder than hitting. Why baseball is harder than softball. Okay, so like there are millions of options, right? And now I will show you with a tool as well. It's not an expensive tool. With this tool we can do many things. So I just did a search, DJ tips for beginners, and you can get the software. It will be around I think $13-14 like this. Okay, I will put the link in the description. You can use my affiliate link as well. So I will get like few dollars. Yeah, I appreciate if you use my affiliate link. So that helps me to make more video about internet marketing and yeah, SEO. So I just, like I said, I just did this DJ tips for beginners search. Okay, so here it is. The thing is, when you need to do with Google suggestions, you have to actually go one by one, right? But when you have a tool like this, especially this tool, it's not expensive anyway. You can see all the data here, right? So what I do is try to find the DA and the PA and the links as well, right? Do they have URL, the keywords in the URL and the description like this? So I can see one website has only page authorities 9 and the DA authorities only 5, right? And it has 22 links. I'm pretty sure these websites are really new. So that's a good sign. Normally when I see 20, like under 20 websites ranking, that means I can go for it as well. Okay, but like I said, if you can find a topic no one is actually targeting, that is much easier. Okay, because you need to trust, you need to get the Google's trust first. Okay, because there is a sandbox and then you have to wait to come out from the sandbox, you know. So yeah, so now I just open this one, and you can see page authority is 9, domain authority is 5. So that is ranking, right? So the next process, the next step, what I do, I get the domain name, and then I go back, not here, I go to explore, and then I click, then I copy paste the domain and put it entire domain, and then search. Okay, wow, okay, so already is 817 keywords ranking this website. Wow, that is interesting. Anyway, I have few niche websites, so I don't want to jump into this, but if you watch this video, go for it, guys. You know, it is, you can see it's not that a big domain, even 10 backlinks. Anyway, so, and then you can go to view keywords, right? View keywords, and then you can see DJ controller versus mixer. This website is ranking for a lot of keywords. And then go to this pages and see what kind of, okay, let's say what qualification do I need to be a DJ. Let's open this. What kind of education do you need to be a DJ? Owner is exactly targeting these keywords. So how many content it has, we can check. Okay, count these words, 1500 words. Okay, not bad. So when you go for these keywords, and when you bring more content and like worth content, you can see like there are 3000 views, and there are so many keywords. So this is the method you can use to build your niche website, and you can save these all the keywords in an Excel file, and then you can target, or you can even go with a silo, right? So when you go with a silo, it like brings a lot of power to a page. Anyway, so this is the tool. So like I said, you can use my affiliate link if you like, and yeah, I appreciate it if you do that. All right, so that's it. Yeah, and hope you guys will like the video, and please take action, guys. Yeah, because you have to put this knowledge into action, right? Otherwise you are not gonna see any rankings, okay? Because many people do this, and they watch videos, they have a lot of knowledge, but they do not take um, action. Anyway, if you have a question, please put a comment, and also gives me a thumbs up as well. So see you in the next video.